Hi, and welcome to this episode of Big Y Local Love. We're Big Y's registered dietitians. I'm Andrea.
I'm Carrie.
And I'm Roland, the Big Y Seafood Sales Manager.
And we're here in New Haven, Connecticut with our partners, Onofrio, who supplies Big Y with our crab meat stuffing products.
So let's go inside and meet Richard and his team.
Sounds good.
All right, great.
I'm so excited to taste the mushrooms. Have you been here before?
No, I haven't. I've been looking forward to coming here for a while, and this is a great opportunity to tour the plant and meet Richard and his team.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be a lot of fun here today.
It's a big place.
I
Yeah,
know.
a lot bigger than you think from the outside, you know what I'm saying?
For sure.
Hey, Rick, how you doing?
Hey, Roland, how are you?
Yeah, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Great.
Welcome to Onofrio's Fresh Cut.
Thank you very
Hi,
much.
Carrie. Hi, Andrea.
Thank
how are
you for having us.
Thank you
Good.
for coming.
So we love that you're a family-owned company. Can you tell us a little bit about the business?
Sure. So my grandfather started the business in 1948 in Fairhaven section of New Haven with his 3 sons. And they ran the business for many years. And they did a great job at it until the club stores started moving in. Then we decided to reorganize. And we came over to here, which is Forbes Avenue, the annex section of New Haven. We've been here for about 25 years, and we decided to concentrate on what we did best, which was our mushrooms and our mushroom stuffing with crab meat. That's where we are today.
So just like Big Y, that we are a family-run company, it's really exciting to hear about the fact that you're still family-run. So tell us a little bit about the generations involved now.
I am 3rd generation, and I have 3 children, my son Angelo, my daughter Rebecca, my daughter Stefania, and as 4th generation, and I have 4 grandchildren.
So you're gonna keep it going.
So we hope to do business with Big Y for generations to come.
Rick, you want to take us through the process and see what's going on here today at Onofrio's?
Yes, let's suit up and go stuff some mushrooms.
Awesome.
Very nice.
This is Stacy Brion, and she's going to take you in and show us how
Hi.
we stuff our mushrooms and let you stuff some mushrooms.
Very nice. As long as we can eat them at the end, that's fine.
Yes, definitely. Oh, thank you.
Ooh, thank you.
Today we're going to prepare a crab meat stuffed mushroom, which is one of our most popular stuffed mushrooms. So we're just going to show you the process. So here we are actually going to start blending the stuffed mushroom.
And are these just like traditional butter crackers, like a Ritz cracker type situation?
Yeah. So we get all of our ingredients together, such as our breadcrumbs that we have here. We're going to put it all in the mixer, blend it together, and once that's blended, it gets put into our production line.
How often do you mix stuffing a day?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day. Yeah, we do so much that we have to produce our crab meat stuffed mushroom every single day.
So how many types of stuffings do you make?
So we have a total of 10 different stuffings, one of them including the crab meat, but we also have bacon and cheddar, we have spinach and cheese, Italian, harvest.
Sounds good.
Yeah, they're very delicious. Now we're gonna take this stuffing and we're actually now gonna go stuff the stuffed mushrooms.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna show you how to make the stuffed mushrooms. So you take some stuffing, kind of make a little ball if you like. You wanna make sure that the mushroom is well stuffed. You stuff it in there, make it look pretty, and put it on the tray.
And so you just kind of learn from doing it again and
So
again.
you definitely wanna make sure it's really stuffed in there. So
And it's all weighed too, right? To
right,
make sure that
after towards the end we weigh them and then we'll sort out the mushrooms to make sure the weight is accurate.
Yeah, so you can catch us for
Yeah,
overstuffing our mushrooms that we're selling?
Yes, don't worry. All right, so you guys can get started.
All right, thank you.
Wish us luck. Well, this was such a fun day today. We really enjoyed seeing production, and it's so awesome to see the expansion of the products available at Big Y now.
Yeah, we started off with our 6-pack mushroom, and then from there we just started expanding to our platters, to our appetizers, our entrees, and even the stuffing alone.
It's just amazing over 20 years working with your company, how you've grown and helped Big Y grow, and working locally together. At Big Y, we have a saying, together we're better. Together we are also growing together, and we really appreciate not only today, but the last 20 years of growing as a team.
Well, thank you, Roland. We appreciate the opportunity to work with Big Y. From the second generation, my dad, Edward, to myself, third generation, to my daughter, Rebecca, fourth generation. We'd like to thank you for the business and the opportunity you've given us to bring our most precious product to your stores at the most competitive prices. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this episode of Big Y Local Love, check out more of our adventures on BigY.com and follow Living Well, Eating Smart in Big Y on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.